This is a 9134 hotel or motel mortise lock set. So the key feature of this lock is that the outside lever is always rigid. It'll never unlock. It'll never activate the lock. Inside lever is always active. So it features lever sets. Older installations, you'll see knobs, but typically it's lever sets these days. There is a key outside, and then you have a turn piece inside. There's a deadbolt, there's a latch bolt, and then of course we have the anti-pick latch or auxiliary latch. So the way this lock works is from the exterior side, the only way to get in when the door is closed, because this is always rigid, it's kind of like a storeroom, right? I have to use the key to relax the latch, and then I can just pull or push the door open. From the inside, when you're inside the room, you close the door behind you, you can throw the deadbolt for added physical security. Remember, you don't have to because this is already locked. And again, nobody can credit card the door because we have the anti-pick latch. But typically in a hotel room or motel, you're gonna throw the deadbolt, right? Outside lever, always rigid. So from the outside, we can retract the deadbolt and then the latch to gain entry. Or from the inside, the simultaneous deadbolt and latch bolt retraction. So from the inside, if I just want to leave, I rotate the lever, both latch and deadbolt retract. When the door closes behind me, I don't have to throw the deadbolt because the latch bolt is locked. Now, typically, the guest room is typically only retracting the latch. It's not always throwing the deadbolt. But anyway, so this is a hotel motel lock. Outside lever, always rigid, always rigid, always rigid. Inside lever, always free, always free. Key outside will retract the deadbolt and the latch to gain entry. So this is a 9134 hotel motel lock set.